Hello student, I am Mrs. Shweta Shailendra Pandare, Assistant Teacher, Vidyapit High School, Kolhapur. In chapter 5, Expansion Formulae, let's learn third formula of expansion, that is a minus b cube. So see the expansion of this formula. Third formula, expansion of a minus b cube. So this a minus b cube we can write as like this: a minus b first bracket into a minus b into a minus b. We are familiar with that the formula of, that is a minus b into a minus b. Hence we can write as like this: a minus b in bracket a square minus 2ab plus b square. This a is multiple to all these bracket and this b is also multiple to all these bracket. So write a in bracket a square minus 2ab plus b square minus b multiple to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So multiple this: a into a square a cube, a into 2ab minus 2a square b, a into plus b square a b square, then this minus plus a square, hence minus a square b minus b into minus 2ab, that is minus minus plus 2ab square minus b plus b square minus b cube. So let us see the like terms. So this is minus 2a square b minus a square b are the like term. Then plus ab square and plus 2ab square are also the like terms. Hence we make the addition of that: a cube minus, this is minus and this is also minus, hence minus 3a square b. This is plus and this is plus, hence plus 3ab square and minus b cube. So we get the expansion of these, that is a minus b cube is equal to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. Let's see in the words how can we express this formula, that is a minus b cube is equal to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. So in words, a is the first term and b is the second term. Hence first term minus second term cube is equal to, this is the first term cube, then 3 into first term square into second term plus 3 into first term into second term square minus second term cube. So we can solve the examples in the practice set. Practice set 5.3. Question number 1. Expand. Example number 1. 2m minus 5 bracket cube. Let expand this given example by using this formula. So 2m is the first term, that a, and 5 is the second term, that is b. So by this formula, that is first term cube, 2m cube minus 3 into first term, 2 square into 5 plus 3 into first term 2m into 5 square minus second term cube 5 cube. In next step, this is 2m cube. Cube of this 2 is equal to 8m cube minus 3 into 2m cube. So square 3 into 4m square into 5 plus 3 into 2m into 25 minus 5 cube, that is 125. Let make the multiplication. 8m cube minus 60m square plus 150m, multiplication of these, minus 125. So this is the expansion of 2m minus 5 cube. By using this formula. Next example, example number 3, 7x minus 9y bracket cube. So again we use the formula, that is a minus b cube is equal to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. Let, that is 7x is a and 9y is b, and expand by using the formula. First, 7x cube minus, that is minus 3 into first term, that is 7x square into 9y plus 3 into first term 7x into second term 9y square minus 9y cube. In next step, we make the cube squares. Here you know about that. That is cube of 7, 343 into x cube minus 3 into square of 7, 49x square into 9y plus 3 into 7x into square of 9, that is 81 y square minus cube of 9, that is 729 y cube. So you make the rough multiplication of these given numbers and then you pair that. In your notebook you can make the rough multiplication. So 343x cube minus multiplication of these, that is 9, 49 and 3 is equal to 1323 x square y plus multiplication of these 81, 7 and 3, 1701. You make this multiplication rough in your notebook. X y square minus 729 y cube. So this is the expansion of 7x minus 9y cube is equal to, that is 343x cube minus 1323 x square y plus 1701 xy square minus 729y cube. Next example number 5, 198 cube. We can find out the value of this and we write that 198 200 minus 2 cube. So this is the first term and this is second term. So by using this formula we make cube of first term 200 cube minus 3 into first term 200 square into second term, that is 2 plus 3 into first term 200 into second term 2 square minus second term cube. For solving these examples, you know about the cubes and squares of the numbers that we remind in our notebook also 2 to 3 times. So, and also you make carefully the multiplication of the given numbers. Hence, the cube of 200. 1, 2. The multiplication is 3 times. Hence, 6 zeros are there. 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hence, 80 lakh minus 3 into square 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 times multiplication here. Hence, here is, that is 40,000 into 2 plus 3 into 200 into square of 2, that is 4, and cube of 2 minus 8. Again, $80 lakh minus multiplication of this, as it's 3 into 2, 6, and 6 into this number, that is 40,000. Hence we get here 2 lakh 40,000. 4 plus 3 into this 200, that is into 4, that 2400 minus 8. Then you make the addition and subtraction of these numbers. You get, we make the addition of the like terms here. So this and this is like term, plus that is 2400, hence 400 0 0 4 2 0 0 and 8. This is the addition of this like term. Then second, this is minus and this is minus, hence minus 2,40,000 minus 8. We make addition of these. This is 8 0 0 0 4 and 2 as it is. Then this is get sign minus. So make the subtraction of these two numbers. Here 80 lakh 2,400 minus 2,40,008. We take a raise here. 10 minus 8, 2. Again here 10 minus 1, 9. Then 4 minus 1 is 3. 2 as it is. Then again we take a raise here. 10 minus 4, 6. Give this raise here. Again 10 minus 3, that is 7, and 8 minus 1 is 7. So our answer is that is equal to 77,62,392. So this is the value of that the 198 cube. So by using this formula, we expand the given number, we make multiplication and then also the addition and subtraction, and we get this answer. So carefully you make this and find out the value of the given number. Example number 6. 2p minus 1 upon 2p cube. So again we use this formula. A minus b cube is equal to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. 2p is the a and 1 upon 2p is the b. Let's expand. First, that is 2p cube minus 3 into 2p square into 1 upon 2p, that is the second term, plus 3 into first term as it is 2p into second term, that is 1 upon 2p square, minus last 1 upon 2p cube. In next step, 2p cube, cube of 2, that is 8p cube, minus 3 into square of 2, 4p square, into 1 upon 2p, plus 3 into 2p, one upon 2p square, that is 1, square of 1 is 1, 4p, that is square, minus 1 upon 2, that is cube of 2, the 8p cube. Next step, 8p cube as it is. Then see here is 2p and 4p square. So that 2p is here remain 2p only. We can divide as like this. Hence, here we get 3 into 2p minus 6p. Again, here that is 2p 1. Here 2p is remain. Hence, we can write as like this. This 3 is multiple to 1 plus 3 divided by 2p. So, we divide this term to this term. And this is as it is, minus 1 upon 8p cube. So, we get 8p cube minus 6p plus 3 upon 2p minus 1 upon 8p cube. Next example, example number 8, x upon 3 minus 3 upon x bracket cube. Again, by using the formula, that is a minus b cube is equal to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. So, x upon 3 is a and 3 upon x is b. Using this formula, first step, cube of first term, x upon 3 cube minus 3 into first x upon 3 square into 3 upon x. This is the second term, minus 3 into first term x upon 3 into square of second term, that 3 upon x square minus second term cube, x 3 upon x cube. Very carefully you make the multiplication here. So, first term x cube divided by cube of 3, that is 27. minus 3 x square divided by square of 3 9 into 3 upon x plus 3 into x upon 3 into square of 3 that is 9 x square minus cube of 3 27 and x cube. Here we make the dividation first. So carefully you can see the terms and then divide it. First we can make division in between only where is the multiplication signs. So here are the multiplication sign in between these terms. Then we make the division only. So 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9. Again this 3 and this 3. x1 here only x remain. Again 3 and this 3. x1s are x and here only 1x is remain. So what is the remain here? You make this division very carefully. Let's see. X cube divided by 27 minus here only x is remain. Only x minus x. In this what is remain? Let's see. Here is 9 and here is x. Sign that is plus. Plus 9 upon x minus 27 upon x cube. So this is the expansion. So when you solve these examples, you make multiplications very carefully, divisions very carefully, and also you know about the cubes and squares of the numbers. So again revise that cubes and the squares for solving these examples.